This place is one of the barangays of the municipality of San Jorge, Samar. This river is our means to reach our destination, which is Cay-an Falls. So hold your horses, guys, and get ready with me as we embark on our journey to the most adventurous and perilous trip I ever had. I have to be honest with you guys that this trip is not for the weak, and definitely not for those who doesn't know how to swim. In order for us to reach our destination, we have to walk on water and on land like for 30 minutes, I think. Cay-an Falls is really a very beautiful waterfalls, but only few people go there because it is really very hard to get there. Our guide told us to get off the boat because the water is too shallow here. They turned off the engine because the water is not deep enough.
Kanina pa nag-English ito ako. Ba, Amerikano.
Sugat mo. Wala na niya lang.
Barong ko,
Malayo na matatato manulong. Ano daw ulit ni? Over. Ang over.
Wow. Nice.
Pareho lang.
We will be docking in a few minutes. But before that, let me try rowing the boat first. Row, row, row your boat. Kalok. We have to climb up there. So please help me, God.
Actually, yung sir nga pagpantalon kay ini mga banwa.
I'm wearing a jacket and a pajama that I borrowed, guys, to protect myself from the grass. Oo.
Hala mo kay maram hira bisan mo rin pala tandaan.
We actually got lost in this forest twice already.
Aroy kita dahil kay halarom.
Now is the time for us to walk on the river. If you walk on the side, you will encounter a soft soil. It's like clay, which makes it hard to walk. If you walk on the center, you will go against the current of the water. This kind of stones is an indication that we are near the waterfalls already. It's really kind of hard to walk on this kind of stones. Wow! At last! Oh, may one din here. Rough road often led us to a beautiful destination, right? We did it, guys! Hooray! We came, we saw, and we conquered. Praise God. It's kind of slippery here, guys. I'm gonna climb up because I want to try jumping.